How to add voiceover on Canva. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to add voiceover on Canva. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. So if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Canva link right there on the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, as we know, Canva is one of the best or one of the most flexible editing website in the internet. So you can edit PPTs, you can edit videos, pictures, whatever file you can ever imagine. You can edit here in Canva. So of course, if you are editing video, of course you can add voiceover. Also, you can add voiceover in presentation. You can add some voiceover on photos and especially videos. So for example, I'm just going to add random presentation file or PPT and also random video file. So let's just go to find a random PPT theme. So let's just choose this one, thesis defense. Okay. After that, we're going to be redirected to this editing page. So this is where you will edit your PPT as well as you can add your voiceover. So I'm going to add some pages to make my presentation look more cooler. And that's it. So now I'm just going to duplicate this page and I'm going to go back to the home page and start choosing some video themes or some random video sample. Or if you want to create your own video, just create a blank right here on the top left. If you scroll up and see this one, videos on the left side, just click this one and you will create a blank space of a video. So you can add your own video, your random video from your device, or you can just select elements, video elements if you want. So I suggest that upload your own. So I'm just going to go back to the PowerPoint presentation. And as you can see, the way that we can add voiceover on PPT presentation is the same as the way we can add voiceovers on videos. So let's go back to our video editing page. So I'm just going to add some random video element sample for the tutorial purposes only. So as you can see, this clip is almost 10 seconds, I think. 10 seconds. And as you can see, if you want to add a voiceover, this is how you're going to do it. Actually, there are many ways you can add voiceover on Canva. There are three ways, I think. So, for example, I'm just going to add my external video. I'm not going to use this video element sample because this is too short. So, I'm just going to add this one, drop it here. So as you can see, I just lowered the volume so we don't get copyright. So I'm just going to delete this video sample first. Okay, right here. So now there are three ways in order to have a voiceover on your video or on your presentation in Canva. So the first one is by clicking the upload right here on the left side. You can see the upload button. After you click this one, you will see image, videos, and audios. So click on audios. So right here, you can record yourself or you can upload external recording file. So as you can see, I already have my recordings right here. And you can just, insert one of your recording file and drag it on the video. And if you want to record your own video in Canva, just click it and you will be redirected to this page. So as you can see, you can set up all of your audio input and output as well as your camera. So you don't need to input your camera, just the voice recording. So as you can see, if you speak, there will be a blue signal that says that your audio is being detected. So you have an audio. So I'm just going to record. So you will not hear my voice, but I'm recording right now. Or when I make this video, so the voice is will not be the same. So if I click this one or if I exit this one, and as you can see, the video will be
Hello, hello, hello.
inserted.
Welcome to my show. Please watch till the end.
Yeah, as you can see, this only applies right here on the frame, circle frame right here. And if you play the whole video, as you can see, this is the downside. Please watch till the end. As you can hear, right, it keeps repeating. So this is the downside. If your recording is much less shorter than the whole video itself, the your video recording will repeat, as you can see, until it covers all the video. So this is the downside of this method. So if you want, you can just upload your external file that match the duration of the video itself, and I recommend you to use that one instead of this. So the next way is by clicking the share button. So if you click the share button right here on the top right, you will see present and record right here. So just click this one, and after that, it will show you that you can go to the recording studio. So same thing, you can set up your audio input and your camera. So I'm just going to add the right audio input, then I will start recording. So as you can see, so it starts on the middle of the video. That's why you need to start the recording after you go to the studio in order to start in the beginning. So after that, if you end the recording, it will start uploading. And after it's done uploading, just copy the link and paste it right here in the new tab to see your voice recording or the video recording. So as you can see, if I play it, hello everyone. So as you can see, my voice recording is there, and I didn't show you all the videos so we don't get copyrighted because of the music. And that's it. You get the point. When you use the present and record method, it shows that you can, record the video itself with your voice recording. So you can record some parts of the video, or you can record the beginning, you can record the middle itself based on where you started the recording. So that's it. You can choose any recording method you want, but I really suggest you that you just use, or you could just upload your external recording file and just drag it on the video. So as you can see, for example, I'm just going to drag my recording right here on the presentation, the PPT presentation. So as I said earlier, it's the same way you can add voice recording on PPT and video. It's just the same. You can, use the recording yourself and the present and record method on PPT also. So as you can see, I can add, external video recording file on PPT, and it's much easier and it's much, you know, perfect and balanced compared to this present and record method. So as you can see, if I start recording and, just going to end the recording rightly after that, and just copy the link, paste the link right here, play
Oh,
it,
welcome to our thesis defense, and this is our research, this is our problems, and thank you for watching.
and that's it. That's how you add voiceover on Canva. So I hope you learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.